Hello, today I want to talk to you about Moringa for hypertension, what you should know. Moringa has long been used to help lower blood pressure in countries like India, the Philippines, Jamaica and many others. With hypertension rates among adults rapidly increasing and drug prices astronomically high, many people with high blood pressure have started to look for a natural solution, and it seems as if Moringa is at the top of the list. In a moment I am going to give you 3 foods that you must avoid if you're hypertensive. Many people have been shocked when they learned about these foods, so stick with me and I will tell you in a moment. Hypertension, or high blood pressure as it's more commonly called, is a health condition that occurs when the long-term force of the blood is dangerously high. Blood pressure is determined by the amount of blood your heart pumps and the amount of resistance to blood flow in your arteries. The more blood your heart pumps and the narrower your arteries, the higher your blood pressure is. A poor diet is a major contributor to high blood pressure. The National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute has developed a diet specifically for preventing high blood pressure. This diet is primarily composed of fruits, vegetables, and low-fat dairy products. It also includes whole grains, fish, poultry, beans, seeds, nuts, and vegetable oils. This diet asks that you cut down on foods high in sodium and sugars, as well as limiting red meat and alcohol. Fruits and vegetables high in potassium are great for preventing high blood pressure. Potassium helps regulate the adverse effects that excess sodium has on our bodies. Moringa has 3 times as much potassium as bananas, making it an amazing source of potassium. At 140 milligrams of potassium per serving, Moringa is an excellent addition to a diet for preventing high blood pressure. Did you know that 2 tablespoons of Moringa powder a day will provide over 60% of your daily potassium needs? Potassium keeps your kidneys functioning properly and maintaining the health of muscle tissues. When you're not getting enough potassium in your diet, you're likely to experience fatigue and muscle weakness. As promised, here are 3 foods that you must avoid if you're hypertensive. Number 1 is sugar. You likely already know that excessive sugar intake has been linked to increased cases of weight gain and obesity. But did you know that high sugar intake is also linked to high blood pressure? Sugar, especially sugar-sweetened drinks, has contributed to an increase in obesity in people of all ages. High blood pressure is more common in people who are overweight or obese. Number 2 is pickles. I love pickles and I would eat it on almost everything, but preserving any food requires salt. It stops the food from decaying and keeps it edible longer. However, salt can take even the most innocent cucumber and make it a sodium sponge. The longer vegetables sit in canning and preserving liquids, the more sodium they can pick up. A whole dill pickle spear can contain as much as 390 milligrams of sodium. However, reduced sodium options are available. Number 3, this one got me to the core. It's pizza. All pizzas can be a poor choice for people watching their sodium intake. The combination of cheese, cured meats, tomato sauce, and crust adds up to a lot of sodium. Frozen pizza is especially dangerous for people with high blood pressure. To maintain flavor in the pizza once it's been cooked, manufacturers often add a lot of salt. 1 serving of a frozen cheese or meat and cheese pizza can contain more than 700 milligrams of sodium, sometimes even more. The thicker the crust and the more toppings you have, the higher the sodium level. Try adding Moringa to your diet today, whether it's in powder or tea form. Well, that's it for now. Subscribe to our channel, leave a comment below and share with other viewers some of the foods that you were told to avoid if you're hypertensive. In the next video, I am going to talk about Moringa for men or women with diabetes, the sweet facts. I'll see you in the next video.